Yeah, welcome back to Shabes online tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to solve the second order homogeneous differential equation. If you're new here, consider subscribing to my channel and also follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram at Shabes online tutorial. So the question on the board reads: solve 2y prime prime minus 5y prime minus 3y is equal to 0. So this is homogeneous differential equation because it's equal to 0. But when it's equal to anything apart from 0, it's going to be what? Non-homogeneous. So this is, in this case, that is equal to 0 is called homogeneous differential equation, and it's a order what? Second order homogeneous differential equation. So let's get started. Solution. So if you are given a second order homogeneous differential equation in this form, then minus 5y prime minus 3y is equal to 0. The first thing you are going to do is to write out the auxiliary of the equation. Auxiliary means the coefficient of the equation. So the first one is what? 2. Then this y prime prime, you can represent it by any variable. So let us use m. So m to the power of 2 because it's second power. Then minus 5m to the power of 1. Then minus 3. 3 is constant, which is equal to 0. So this is how to write the auxiliary from the given homogeneous differential equation. So if you notice that this equation, this is m squared, m, and this is constant, is equal to 0. What do you notice? This is what? Quadratic equation. Now we can use different method of solving quadratic equation. So let us use formula method. So we can say a is equal to what? 2, then b is equal to minus 5, then c is equal to minus 3. And recall the formula method, which is what? Minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus what? 4ac everything over what? 2a. So we're going to substitute to this formula. So we're going to have what? Minus b, and b is what? Minus 5, and minus is from the formula already, so we're going to have minus into minus 5 plus or minus square root of minus 5 square minus 4 multiplied by a is 2, then multiply by c, which is minus 3, then everything all over 2 multiplied by a, which is 2. So now we can wait further to simplify. Minus multiplied by minus is going to give us what? Plus 5. Then plus or minus, you open a square root. Minus 5 square. Any negative number raised to the power of even number is going to be called, giving us what? Even positive result. Therefore, minus 5 square is going to give us what? 25. Then minus times minus is going to give us plus. Then 4 multiplied by 3 is going to give us 24, and everything over 4. Now we're going to have what? 5 plus or minus square root of 25 plus 24 is going to give us 49, everything over 4. Now square root of 49 is going to give us 7. So therefore we're going to have what? We're going to have 5 plus or minus square root of 49 to be 7, everything over 4. So we are going to have two answers, because remember this is quadratic equation. Its root is going to be 2. We are going to have for 5 minus 7 over 4, or what? 5 plus 7 over 4. So 5 minus 7 is going to give us what? Minus 2 over 4, or 5 plus 7 is going to give us 12 over 4. Therefore, the two roots of this quadratic equation can be represented by m1, which is equal to what? Minus 2. 2 can go into minus 2 can go into 2 can go into minus 2 one time to be minus 1 over what? 2 can go into 4 2 times, or m2 will be equal to 12 divided by 4 is going to give us 3. So this is the two root of this homogeneous differential equation. Now recall, we are going to recall the general form of general solution of a homogeneous differential equation. If you notice that this root, this is unequal, they are not equal, it's called what? Distinct real root. They are distinct real root because they are not equal. When you have equal root, the general solution is going to be different. So when you have a complex root, it's going to be different. But in this case that we have distinct real root, the general solution is going to be what? Y, which is equal to C1 exponential raised to the power of mx plus C2 exponential raised to the power of m2x. This is m1x and this is m2x. Now we can substitute m1 and m2 to the general solution. We are going to have y is equal to what? C1 exponential m is what? Minus 1 over 2x, then plus C2 exponential m2 is 3 exponential 3x. So this is the general solution of this given homogeneous second order homogeneous differential equation. So first thing, you copy the auxiliary, then you use quadratic equation, then we use a general formula, general solution of a homogeneous equation when the root is distinct root. So in my next video, I'll show you how to write the general solution when the roots are equal or the roots are complex, because it may happen in quadratic equation. You have a root that m1 will be 2, m2 will be also 2, or any equal root, or you have a complex number like you have 5 minus 4i, which is complex number. So the root the general solution are different. So in my next video, I'll show you how to write the general solution when the roots are equal. Follow me and don't forget to click on subscriber button. Also click on the bell icon so that if I upload a new video, it will notify you. Thanks for watching, and also follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram at Chabez.